This dance is called Captain of My Heart. It's a 32 count, 2 walk, improve a level line dance with 2 tags and 1 restart. Starting on the right foot, rock to the side on the right, recover your weight on the left. Cross shuffle, right over left, cross side, cross. On the and count, you're going to hitch your left, then go into a weave, extended, syncopated to the right. Crossing the left over the right, step the right to the side, left behind, right to the side, cross the left over the right. Cross side, behind side, cross. That set of steps once more then. Side rock off on the right. 7, 8, side rock, cross, shuffle and cross, side, behind, side, cross. Rock to the side again on the right, recover your weight on the left, cross, shuffle, right over left, cross, side, cross. On the and count, you're actually going to do the equivalent of unwinding yourself half a turn to the left. Then you can go straight into another cross shuffle, left over right, cross, side, cross. Rock to the side on the right, recover. So that little set of steps once more then. Side rock up on the right. 7, 8, side rock, cross shuffle, in your unwind on the and count, cross shuffle, side rock. Let's add those 2 sections together. Side rock, cross shuffle, off on the right. 7, 8, side rock, cross shuffle and cross, side, behind, side, cross. Side rock, cross shuffle and cross shuffle, side rock. 2 samba steps. So we're going to cross the right over the left, rock to the side on the left, recover. Cross left over right, rock to the right and recover. Step forward on the right, pivot yourself half a turn to the left, go forward, step, lock, step, right foot leading, step, lock, step. That set of steps once more then. 2 samba steps, off on the right. 7, 8, samba, step, step, pivot, step, lock, step. Let's add that to the top. Side rock off on the right. 7, 8, side rock, cross shuffle and cross, side, behind, side, cross. Side rock, cross shuffle and cross shuffle, side rock. Samba, step, step, pivot, step, lock, step. Step forward on the left. Now you're going into a syncopated jazz box, quarter turn with a step at the end. So you're going to cross the right over left, step the left back, quarter turn to the right, step forward on the left. And repeat, almost. Crossing the right over left, step the left back, right to the side, step the left forward, touch the right beside the left. So that set of steps once more. I'll go through it slowly again first, then we'll speed it up a bit. Stepping forward on that left. 7, 8, step, cross, back, turn, step, cross, back, turn, step, touch. So once more, just a little bit faster then. Stepping forward on the left. The music isn't that fast anyway. but it does go really nicely. Off on the left. 7, 8, step, cross, back, turn, step, cross, back, turn, step, touch. End of the dance when you get to that point. Let's put it all together. Side rock, cross shuffle, off on the right. 7, 8, side rock, cross shuffle and cross, side, behind, side, cross, side rock, cross shuffle and cross shuffle, side rock, samba step, step, pivot, step, lock, step, step, cross, back, turn, step, cross, back, turn, step, touch. So that's your dance. I'll now go through it with the counts. Side rock cross shuffle, off on the right. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. So that is your dance. Hopefully you get a feel for the timing. But it is a 2-wall dance, so let's have a go at the back wall, and we'll keep going when we get back to the front, so you can see how the walls join together. Side rock cross shuffle, off on the right. 7, 8, side rock, cross shuffle and cross, side, behind, side, cross, side rock, cross shuffle and cross shuffle, side rock, samba step, step, pivot, step, lock, step, step, cross, back, turn, step, cross, back, turn, step, touch, side rock, cross shuffle and cross, side, behind, side, cross, side rock, cross shuffle and cross shuffle, side rock, samba step, step, pivot, step, lock, step, cross, back, turn, step, cross, back, turn, step, touch. So that's your dance. Now there are 2 little tags in this dance. Nice and easy, they are 4 sways, single count timing. So you will have just done your touch step at the end of the wall. You go straight into your sway, stepping the right slightly to the side, sway right, sway left, sway right, sway left. Restart the dance with your side rock. So ends of walls 2 and 7. That's where your tags come. Wall 2 is your 6 o'clock wall. Wall 7 will be your 12 o'clock wall. So let's do wall 2. Take you up to the end of wall 2, add the tag on and restart the dance. You can see how it fits in. Single count timing steps. Side rock, off on the right. 7, 8, side rock, cross shuffle and cross, side, behind, side, cross, side rock, cross shuffle and cross shuffle, side rock, samba step, step, pivot, step, lock, step, cross, back, turn, step, cross, back, turn, step, touch, tag, sway, restart, side rock, cross shuffle and cross, side, behind, side, cross. So that's your tag. 4 sways, ends of walls 2 and 7. Wall 2 is your 6 o'clock wall, wall 7 is your 12 o'clock wall. Now your restart comes on wall 5. Wall 5 will be your 12 o'clock walk. Comes after 16 counts. So you've done your double cross shuffle section and you restart. So let's just take you up to that point. Wall 5, 16 counts, restart the dance. Side rock off on the right. 7, 8, side rock, cross shuffle and cross, side behind, side cross, side rock, cross shuffle and cross shuffle, side rock, restart, side rock, cross shuffle and cross, side behind, side cross. So that is your dance, your walkthrough, your tag and your restart information. Let's give it a go. To the music. 5, 6, 7, 8. Side rock, cross shuffle and cross, side behind, side cross, side rock, cross shuffle and cross shuffle, side rock, samba step, step, pivot, step, up, step, cross back turn, step, cross back turn, step, touch, side rock, should tag walk, cross, side, behind, side, cross, side, rock, cross, shuffle, and cross, shuffle, side, rock, samba step, step, pivot, step, rock, step, cross, back, turn, step, cross, back, turn, step, touch, tag, sway, side, rock, cross, shuffle, cross, side, behind, side, cross, side, rock, cross, shuffle, and cross, shuffle, side, rock, samba step, step, move, step, cross, back, turn, step, cross, back, turn, step, touch, side, rock, side, rock, cross, shuffle, jazz, step, cross, back, turn, step, cross, back, turn, step, touch, side rock, should restart walk, cross, side, behind, side, cross, side, rock, cross, shuffle, side rock, restart, side rock, side rock, sambas, jazz, side rock, next tag walk, sambas, jazz, tag, sway, side rock, hope you managed that one.